Welcome to Milac Online Tutorial. Now let us look at this problem in algebra. And it said if 16 rather, raised to the power of a equals 2 and 81 raised to the power of b equals 27 and log 2 bc equals 1/3, we have to find the square root of a plus b plus c. So how do we go about it? First of all, we need to find the respective value of a, b, and c in each of the equations. Then we just plug in into this, I'll get our answer. So let's get started. Now 16 raised to the power of a equals what? 2. Now first of all, let us reduce 16 to a base of 2, and that should give us 2 raised to the power of 4, or raised to the power of a, then equals what? 2. And according to the law of indices, we just need to multiply a, 4 by a. So here we have 2 raised to the power of what? 4a, then equals what? 2. Now take note, this is 1. As long as we have the same base, we can equate the exponent. So here we have that 4a equals what? 1. Dividing both sides by 4, we have that a equals 1 over what? 4. Okay? That's for a. Now let's go for b. So here you have 81 raised to the power of b equals what? 27. Now a common base for the two of them should be 3. So let us reduce 81 to a base of 3, and let us reduce 27 to a base of 3. So here we have that 3 raised to the power of 4, because 3 raised to the power of 4 gives us 81, or raised to the power of b, then equals 3 raised to the power of what? 3 here. So according to the law of indices, we can actually multiply 4 and b. So here we have 3 raised to the power of what? 4b, then equals what? 3 raised to the power of what? 3. As long as we have it the same base both at the left and the right hand side, we can always equate the exponents. We have 4b, then equals what? 3. Now by this, let us divide both sides by b, then our b now becomes 3 all over 4. Okay? So the next one here, we have log 2 base c equals 1 over what? 3. Okay, so what we all need to do is to find the base c. So how do we go about it? Now, first of all, according to logarithm, we can actually change this to an exponent. And how do we do that? If we have log, let us say ab equals what? X. Take note, this exponent can actually be transformed into, this logarithm equation can actually be transformed into an exponent. How? Our argument become a base, then equals, then our base here also becomes base on the right hand side, then raised to the power of what? X. Okay, so at this point here, we can now do that. Our argument, which is a, becomes 2 here, then equals, and our base, which is b, which is here, we have what? C, or raised to the power of 1 over what? 3. Okay, so at this point, what we all need to do is, for us to find c, we need to raise both sides by 3, and this is to help us undo 1 over 3 here. Okay, so you raise this to the power of 3, raise this to the power of what? 3. So at this point, according to the law of indices, we can multiply, and when we multiply, 3 undo 8 reciprocal here. So, and 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8, so 8 equals c. Okay, so at this point, now a is 1 over 4, b 3 over 4, and c equals 8. So let us do that here. Let's see, for brevity of space, our a is 1 over 4, then plus our b is 3 over 4, and plus here you have what? 8. So if we sum this together, since we have the same base, we get 1 plus 3, that will give us 4. Then 4 divided by 4, that will give us what? 1. So, and 1 plus 8 will give us what? 9. So we have the square root of what? 9, giving us what? 3 as the final answer. Thank you, and God bless you.